How to evaluate market demand for new products on Amazon. Selling successfully on Amazon requires finding and launching products that will truly fulfill consumer demand. In this video, we'll explore proven methods to deeply analyze market demand before you invest in new product launches, so you can set your brand up for sustainable growth on Amazon. Whether you're launching your first product or adding to an existing portfolio, these strategies will give you confidence in your market entry plan. So let's jump into it, starting with covering real-world research versus keyword research. Real-world research versus keyword research. What's the difference and why should you care? Finding the perfect products to sell on Amazon begins not online, but in the tangible world around you. Keep your eyes peeled for consumer frustrations and unmet needs ripe for solving. Observe online complaints and negative reviews that reveal real-life annoyances. Then use those pain points as inspiration for brainstorming products that could alleviate those problems.
I don't expect everybody to understand.
Once you have promising product ideas, turn to keyword research, the online stuff, to then quantify demand. Simple free tools like Amazon's keyword tool show search volume indicating interest levels. A high number of exact match searches signals strong demand for a specific pain-relieving product. With the power combo of observing pain points in the real world and validating demand through keyword data, you gain a proven formula for researching and selecting winning products guaranteed to sell on Amazon.
That is amazing!
Best Sellers Rank, or BSR. Amazon's Best Sellers Rank, or BSR, is the pulse of the platform, updating every hour to reflect a product's sales performance. A lower number, BSR, signifies higher sales. Scrutinize the BSR of similar products to gauge market demand. This magical metric reveals the pulse of the marketplace, fluctuating hourly to reflect an item's sales performance. While the BSR may roller coaster due to seasons and promotions, tools like Keepa and Camel provide the long-term view. They uncover BSR patterns over time so you can clearly spot in-demand products poised for profits. So let BSR be your guide to what's hot and what's not really so hot.
Are you serious?
And leverage its signals to steer your Amazon selling strategy towards marketplace success. Customer reviews and ratings. Amazon reviews hold a goldmine of insights if you know how to properly extract them. Between the lines of customer feedback lie real-life pain points and product frustrations waiting to be uncovered. But with millions of reviews, how can sellers efficiently mine this data? This is where Schulich's VOC AI review analysis takes the guesswork out. Their cutting-edge tool allows you to instantly skim thousands of reviews to surface frequently mentioned pain points and product enhancement ideas. By aggregating and analyzing review data, Schulich's reveals the most requested features and prevalent consumer issues. With these consumer-validated pain points in hand, you gain a rich vein of product research to mine in deciding what to sell on Amazon next. Products with a profusion of positive reviews are often in high demand. Interestingly, 84% of shoppers trust online reviews just as much as recommendations from their best friends. Competition analysis. A market swarmed with sellers can spell high demand, but it also means stiff competition.
No! God, please, no!
Conversely, a scarcity of sellers might signal limited demand. Look for products that have a medium amount of supply and there's not that much competition, but have some people that are already there because you can use their listings to avoid potholes, see what they're doing right, look at their reviews, and ultimately do better than them. So you want to find a good balance of a little bit of competitors, but a good amount of sales velocity. Focus on consumable products. Think about products that folks have to keep coming back for. Think groceries, skincare, or supplements, things that people have to buy over and over again on a monthly basis. Ideally, monthly is like the money spot. That's a good time frame that you should shoot for. These gems are known as consumable products, and they're like rocket fuel for your customer lifetime value. Customer lifetime value, CLV, is the magic potion. Even if it seems pricey to acquire a new customer, if they keep returning back for more, your long-term profits will soar. In 2020 alone, alone, consumable products claimed a whopping 62% of total Amazon sales. So as an Amazon seller, tossing consumables into your lineup is practically a rite of passage for increased profitability. In a nutshell, the Amazon selling game is a treasure hunt that involves real-life pain point searching, keyword searching and analysis, the BSR code, absorbing insights from customer reviews, and leveraging consumables to the fullest. By weaving these strategies into your Amazon seller journey, you'll unlock exciting opportunities, keep your customers spending money with you, and chart a course for a thriving, successful Amazon business. So that's all I got for you. Thank you for watching. If you want to book a free consulting call with me and get a free Amazon listing checklist, then go to emaamz.com. I'll see you in the next video.